Oh, okay. Okay. Do you like rock school?
Yeah.
Why?
So many genre we can learn and play.
Okay, I didn't pay you money. Okay. Do you think this is a good way to improve?
Yeah.
Very good. Have you improved?
Yeah.
Good. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Right. So in exam, kalau you are playing, when you go at home, you don't just play guitar alone. Ada backing track with a CD. So you play like you are in a band. Ya, kalau you tak pernah main dalam band, this is a good start. Because next time, now you hear good sound, when you are in a band, you must expect good sound. Kadang-kadang kita main, then we don't listen to good sound. Then what happen is, when we're in a band, we don't know what is good sound. Then we just play, as long as everybody boleh main, kita happy. No, now you raise the standard. So rock school is to raise the standard, meningkatkan standard. So that's what we want to do. And in rock school, it's not just about just play the pieces. There are many types of exams that we have. One, you can have a band exam. You know, like if Philip, yes, if Philip learned a song, he plays the bass, and then someone else learned the drums, or maybe this family here, all grade 3, then they come together and they can play a band. So that's really nice. And families, if you can play a band, oh, that would be great. I want to record, I want to show the world, you know, because music, I come from a family of musicians. I've got 5 cousins teaching piano. I have 2 aunties who teach piano. Jadi my keluarga all piano teachers, but no band. So for my own family, I have a drums, I have bass, I've got piano, synthesizer, but I only got 2 children. So one play drum, one like to sing, and my wife back up. So I have to play bass and keyboard. So, but it's fun. Music must be in the family. We learn, we pay so much, we should be playing it as a family. And music is all about family. We're talking about friends as family, you know? Alright? Okay, I'm gonna Mr. Anas. And you are playing? Mana tu? Oh, the monkey. Okay, bukan you. Oh, Rasta monkey. Okay, fair.